I'm Andy Stavros, and today I'm in Newport Beach's prestigious Dover Shores Enclave at this newly built home where it's East Coast style meets Hollywood elegance. Welcome to 1827 Leeward Lane. Entering through custom 8-foot French entry doors, you walk into the great room featuring a new all-white gourmet kitchen, boasting an oversized island with 2 dishwashers, glass kitchen cabinet doors, Italian marble countertops, a 48-inch custom paneled Sub-Zero refrigerator, Thermador appliances, a fireplace-warmed breakfast room, and butler's pantry. A 19-foot custom media cabinet takes center stage in a great room where a wet bar features a wine refrigerator and French doors lead to the newly landscaped backyard. Undeniable beauty throughout, the home features 4 bedrooms with an additional office and 3.5 bathrooms, all in approximately 3,270 square feet of efficiently flowing single-level living space. Thank you for watching. To schedule a private showing, contact me. I'm Andy Stavros, and I'll see you next time.